Asuntoskeht Jyväskylän Kolikkorinne.
Yeah, today's the 9th of August 2021. Yeah. Kolikkotie 3 staircase. Is it D?
Yeah.
Here in Holsti, 100% Jyväskylä in Keski-Suomi, Melässä Finland. And this was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1971. Turning 50 years old this year, 2021. Serial is 2477. To be inspected in 2023. We have been in the staircases B and this one D so far, and we still have to get to the staircases A and C. Then we are finished in this area. Forest 162 as well, but this building will be finished after filming A and C.
Yeah.
Let's ride it. 5 floors.
Yeah.
And it has to be early 1971.
Yes.
That's according to the bunker. It's 1969 says there. I mean, or they engraved 71 on it, but still 1969 as the background.
Yeah. Spectate pakivainspää. Maintained by Holsti descriptis.
Also, it's rare with these windows.
Yeah.
Late 1960s type windows. ValmetSchlieren.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. We'll also get to the staircases A and C here.
That's